What's up, everybody? We're back today with another video. Merry Christmas to all y'all that are watching this. This video might get posted after Christmas, but I don't care. Alright, today we're going to be opening baseball cards that I got for Christmas. Love baseball cards, love opening them. Today I'm going to open 10 packs, and then the next day I'll open some other ones. This is what's the box looking like. And then this is our special pack, but that will be in tomorrow's video. So we're going to go ahead, rip the first one open, and yeah, get started with this. All right, here's our first pack. Yeah, respect to the Astros and Austin FC. Wearing the jerseys. I can't see. Dylan Keese. Chris Paddock, Angel Zapriera, Chris Bubbick, Jordan Ramiano, sorry if I'm pronouncing these names wrong, Nick Ahmed, I don't know, Jeff McNeil, I like Jeff McNeil, put that in a good pile, and then we got Luis Fierras. Oh, David Fletcher. Let's go. I like that card. Wander Franco. Let's go. Back-to-back hits. Boston Red Sox. Kansas City Royals. Manny Machado. And Jason Castro. Too bad he was hurt. All right. Rip open pack number 2. Jeff Hoffman, Evan Longoria, Austin Gomber, Edwando Sosa, Packy Naughton. Oh, the rookie card, Frank Schwindel. I'm gonna take that. Cole, I dropped the card, sorry. Matt Brash. Vladimir Gutierrez. In sweet shade, Shohei Ohtani. Look at that. That's a good card right there. And we got Byron Buxton. Future Stars, Nick Madrigal. Juan Yepez. Elvis Perigo. All right, that was a good pack. Shohei, all right, well, first of all, we're going to play back to that Shohei Ohtani card. Fire. His glasses. Those look pretty sweet. Trash over there. All right, here we go. Tristan McKenzie. Oh, I'm going to keep that one. Josh Hader. Mitch Garver. Jose Siri, the ex-Astro. I guess this isn't updated because he ain't on this team anymore. Anthony Rendon, Lorenzo Cain, Rones D. Croncheres. Hold on. Whoa! Look at that! Bo Bichette. It has the thing on it. Oh, that feeling. Ooh, is that his bat? Oh, game used memorabilia. This was in the game. Oh, okay, that's a good card. I'm gonna have to sleeve that. Luis Diaz, Jake Cronenworth, Garrett Richards, and Ronald Torres. Okay, that was a good pack too. That Bo Bichette was nice. Love to see cards like that. Nathan Eovaldi, Reese Hoskins, Yanni Hernandez. I actually saw him play in the minor leagues. I'm going to keep that one. Guillermo Herrera. Gary Sanchez. Don't like him. Michael Taylor. Lane Thomas, AJ Pollock, Gerald Uriah. Aaron Judge. Oh, wow. Look at that. Throwback Aaron Judge All-Star card. That's a good one. I don't like Aaron Judge either, but I'm going to keep it. Dominic Smith, Nick Fortes, Alex Cobb. That's a good young person. And Keita Medea. All right, we're gonna rip open the next one. So that was pack number 4. Now we're getting to pack number 5. So maybe will 5 be the lucky number? I don't know. Mike Ballman, Javier Baez, let's go. Cole Calhoun, Otto Lopez, Justin Upton, Framia Reyes, that's a good one. Taylor Trammell, High Five Highway, that's a good one. Tanner Hawk, Ranger Suarez, Joshua Lowe, Kenny Pakwali, Roman Quinn, and Jacob Robinson. No special card in that one. Unlucky. We're going to keep on going. All right, Alec Bohm. That's a good card. Sergio Akima, Wilmer Flores, Eloy Jimenez. Ooh. Jonathan India. That's a good card. Lamonte Wade Jr., German Marquez. I have respect for Tyler O'Neill. It's a good card. Toronto Talent. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's an interesting. I've never seen that before. 44 and 0.3% of the sweet spot. Ooh, that must have been a dinger for days. Justin Bruhel, Anthony Santander, Elvis Andrews, and AJ Alexi. All right. We're doing good. We're going to go into pack number 6. Let's go. Astros player right off the bat, Jose Urquidy, Willie Calhoun, Miles Straw. I have respect for you still. I like you. Paul DeJong, MVP meets rookie. Bryce Harper meets Wander Franco, I think. It's cool. Like that. Excuse me of dropping stuff. Bailey Ober, Seth Beer, Nico Honer, that's a young talent, Chad Kuhl, Mark Kawadze, Luis Severino, Overcharging Battery, I don't know what that is, Connor Siabol, and Alex Wood. All right, let's get into pack number 7. If I can open it. Lance McCullers, back-to-back Astros again. Dane Dunning, Jesus Aguilar, Tirak Sikabal, Gavin Lux, Donovan Solono, Les Diaz, J.A. Happ, Jemar Cancelo. Oh, Francisco Lindor numbered. Oh, it got stuck. Oh, that's a cool card. It is numbered 1,168 out of 2022. I want to see that. And then another clip of the card. Like that. Glenn Otto, Carlos Santana, Pittsburgh Pirates, and then Cleveland Guardians. All right, going into pack number 8. Brandon Nimmo, TJ Fordell, Owen Kimmer, Mark Kanaha, Austin Barnes, Carlos Carrasco, Lewis Brinson, Joey Bart, Jack Collins. Oh, wow. That's a cool one. Oh, okay, hold on. I need to put down this. Wow. I think that's a relic. I think that is. But if not, then I don't know what else is. Look at that. Who is that? Nick Fortes. Number 2. Numbered 195 out of 199. So close to getting the last copy. Wow. All right. Seattle Mariners, Ian Anderson, Nick Gordon, and Taylor Hearn. It's pack number 9. No, this is pack number 10. Sorry. All right, guys. Last pack for today's video, and we'll be done. Daniel Vogelich, Edward Carrera, Mike Soka, Francisco Lindor. Hey, he just got that. That's cool. Marcos Deepland, DJ Stewart, Stefan Spiscotti, Greg Diekeman, Jock Peterson, and then generational card, Brian Reynolds. More like Ryan Reynolds. Roberto Perez, I'm gonna keep that one. Dylan Moore, Tucker Banhart, and Luis Patino. All right, that was pretty good. I like that. Those are some pretty good packs. I think hold on. I need to go back to probably the best card of this video. Nick Fortes, numbered relic card, I believe. 195 out of 199. All right, well, that will do it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching, if y'all are still watching. And yeah, have a great day. Merry Christmas.